first, you're gonna want. This is step 1. Get one of these.
Wait, so you can't have any other bag?
Get any other item of choice. No, you need
You
this
can't have
one.
any other bag?
No, this one. No, just kidding. No, I was just kidding, guys. You can use any backpack, but we're gonna use this, the glitch gun.
That's just a normal revolver. That's not even a glitch
We're
gun.
gonna make this a glitch gun. And so will the backpack.
What if your backpack despawns?
You're gonna
You know which
wanna
backpack
put
I'm
the
talking
backpack in
about?
here once you get your items ready.
Whoa, what is that backpack over there? I'm just gonna
And
make sure it doesn't
okay,
respawn.
yeah. So yeah, there's a revolver. You're probably just gonna want to wait about probably like just 5 minutes. And that's it. Landon, what are you doing? Oh no, give me the backpack. Actually, give me that one. Give me that one. With the revolver in it. Alright. But let me just show y'all what it does. Let me. Alright. Stay right there. Alright. You're gonna fly specifically to that tree. I know this sounds fake, but you just have to go to that tree specifically. Oh god. No! Okay, well, that went horribly, but yeah, you're gonna have to go to that tree right there. Oh, I almost accidentally bought that. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. No, I think so. Okay.
Looney
Okay.
Tunes.
Now, on this tree right here, this thing's gonna spaz out. Oh! This is what happens, so.
Okay, guys, this is very real and definitely not edited.
What do you mean this is real?
Yeah.
Also,
that's
this
what
is
I'm
a small
telling the
update.
viewers.
They added recoil to guns. Oh, what the? But yeah, that's kind of just what it does. And here's the recoil without the weird color.
Wait, are you not just moving your hand like this?
What, like this? Oh no, I'm not. That's
No?
the actual recoil.
Can I see it? Like, can I shoot the gun?
Yeah, hold on. Here's the other perspective.
Whoa, that's so cool. It's like it's real life.
Alright, and also when after you're done waiting for that backpack, you're gonna have to join a different code and then go up to that tree. Hey Landon, now that we're done with that, do you wanna go see the secret room inside office?
There's a secret room.
Yeah, I don't know, that's what everyone's saying.
Oh.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
So apparently, we got a secret room and office area. And
Mason, why are you bringing Gatorade?
no,
Why are you bringing that? Sebastian?
so we're gonna go in here. Also, there's another small update. You can't spam these anymore, cause apparently that was a problem. Come on! Come on! Alright. And apparently there's like these secret rooms added.
Secret gun.
Whoa, what the? Look, there's these doors.
Why is it bigger?
There's doors. Big
What the
metal
gun?
doors.
And they changed the. Oh yeah, I remember they changed it every single week. They change it week.
Yeah, weekly this
Change
gets
every
changed. Well, let's see what's changed.
Hmm.
Okay, this is still the
Oh, that's
exact
the
same.
office.
Oh, there's a door now. Oh! That's the first time I've ever died from that thing. Oh, there's Landon. Okay, well, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe. Please. I need it. I want to start live streaming. So yeah, I need subscribers.